What is good, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and I'm back at you with another video. And in this video today, I'm gonna be heading over to my boy's house because 11 to 14 Mustangs on IG. I bought their GT500 carbon fiber rear valance, so had it shipped to his house. I'm gonna go head over there right now, and we're gonna throw that on. So I'm excited. Shout out to 11 to 14 Mustangs on IG for hooking me up with it. And let's get into the video. Alright, so with this thing, to get your reflectors on, you're gonna have to drill the holes. Drill some holes! They do come with indentations on it though, so it makes it pretty easy. Yeah, one thing I do recommend, definitely tape the edges right here, because you'll nick it like I did. Just left these things fucking off.
I appreciate the fine places.
Alright, so you guys, a couple days later, sorry I didn't pick the camera back up. It overheated, and me and my boys just installed the rear valance, and we also installed a diffuser. Sorry, this lighting is terrible. There we go. Yeah, we just installed it. I'll show it to you right now. It wasn't too bad. Anything with carbon fiber is not gonna fit like factory, and that's just how carbon fiber is. Every carbon piece I have on my car you know, took some manipulating to get to fit, and that's just, you know, when you run carbon, that's the thing you got to deal with, and it's not too bad. But here, I'll show it to you right now. It is super clean. Super clean. And then we also put a diffuser on it that I've had for, oh man, over 2 years at this point. And I did tint the reflectors, that's why you can't really see them. In the last clip that you saw before this one was me drilling and dremeling out the holes to clip these in, and honestly they don't fit perfect, which is, you know, expected with carbon. So what I did is I actually cut the back of these and took off where they clip in and just sanded it down so it's smooth, and put double-sided tape on the reflectors and just double-sided taped them to the valance, which was much easier. And I definitely recommend doing that instead of drilling out the holes in the valance, because even when I drilled out the holes, it didn't line up perfect, which is, no, that's just how carbon is, like I said, and it's expected. And with the valance, with the OEM one, if you have the GT bumper, not the GT500 one, you have to cut your bumper and then cut holes in it. The thing that we had to do was we had to widen the holes in, like, so that the clips they had would fit in. But, you know, other than that, it wasn't too bad. Like I said, I've had this diffuser for a while, and you can see there's an extra hole right there, and that's because with the OEM diffuser, there's only one fin right here in the middle, and this one has 2 fins instead of 1, which I actually prefer. I like it a lot better, like the 2 fins over the 1 fin. So all we did was, there's 2 bolts holding it on here, and then 1 in the back there, and it's supposed to be 2 on the middle fin. But like I said, with that, you can't really, since there is no middle fin, you can't really do that. And, you know, it's plenty sturdy. And you know, shout out again to 11 to 14 Mustangs on IG. I'll have their IG in the description, and their website where I bought this off, zetacomposites.com, I believe. And, you know, definitely worth it. Awesome thing. It sets the car off, because you can see I already have carbon deck lid, license plate shroud. Now it's just missing this, and then it ties into this. And with the valance, what I did right here, because on the OEM one there's 2 little push pins, so I just drilled the hole to put the push pin back. And yeah, like I said, this valance is so much cleaner than the OEM one. Like, the carbon just sets the car off. And, you know, again, huge shout out and thank you to 11 to 14 Mustangs for hooking me up with it. You know, awesome page, awesome company. And you know, this is where I'm going to end the video. And if you would like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace.